How to use a RemNote for beginners. Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to walk you through RemNote, the all-in-one tool that combines note-taking and spades repetition. Whether you're a student or professional or trying to master complex information, a RemNote has something for you. By the end of this video, you will know exactly how to sign up, create effective notes, turn them into flashcard, and use them spade repetition system to actually remember what you study. So let's get started. Before we deep dive into the video, let's understand what is REMness. So basically, a REM is just a smart bullet point. It can be a simple note, a question and answer, a tag, or folder for organizing other notes. You can connect your ideas like a web using tags and backlinks. You can use flashcard. You can use hierarchy in the nodes. Customization, you will get lot of option in RAM node. So let's get started. Sign up. So first thing first, what you have to do is just come on this website, which is RAM node, and then click on the RAM node for free. And then it will ask you to sign up. Just simply click on the Google or email if you have. Just simply give all the access. Once you are in, you will land on the home dashboard. This is your base of everything. Let's understand this dashboard, what are the feature and what you can access from here. So first we will start with this. At the top, we can see the user profile, name and avatar. And then we have settings. This is where you can configure your account setting, including your profile, theme, and other preferences like notification setting and app integration. Now, the second one is upgrade. From here, you can buy a plan from here if you want. This is import. The same option allows you to import document, flashcard, or notes from other sources or platforms. It is useful if you are migrating content from apps like Anki, Notion, or Evernote from this REM node, then it is useful for you. This is MCAT. It's like it seems like a specific collection or folder, possibly tailored for MCAT related study notes. You can create custom folder to group your notes. So this could be a workspace or subject area dedicated to MCAT preparation. Now, this is a group. This might represent shared node group or study group within the REM node where you can collaborate with others. You can organize notes by group or topics, helping your track shared project or collaborative learning. Now, these are some basic feature or options over here. This is the trash where something, if you delete something in the RAM node, then it will appear over here. So that was the basic of this dashboard. Now let's move to this dashboard. This is a main navigation, all notes, today notes, flashcard, and let's understand what is this. Now, this is a search bar. Uh, the search bar allows you to quickly search for specific notes or documents within the REM node. You can search for keywords and tags and folders, source, a lot of option, daily notes. Yeah, you can search with the filter as well. Now, let's move to the all note where you can, this all note is the first section showing an overall list of documents or notes in your REM note workspace. Clicking on this will display every document you have created or organized into folder and subfolders. Now, as you can see, let's move to today's notes. This section is where your daily notes are stored. You can access your notes for the current day directly, and it helps you to quickly jot down ideas or reflection without navigating through your entire folder. Let's move to flashcard. Flashcard is this shows a badge with a number one, as you can see here, indicating that there is one flashcard that needs to review. But yeah, by clicking on the flashcard, it will take you to your study queue where you can review and study flashcard that have been scheduled for today via spaced repetition, as you can see here. Now let's move. This is MCAT. This is all related to study, I guess. Now let's switch to import from Anki or switch from Anki guide. This might be a guide or folder to help user transition from Anki to RemNote, including tips, resources, or tutorial on how to import your Anki flashcard and notes into RemNote. Now, this is an import from Anki. It's basically this section allows you to import notes from Anki into RemNote. Anki users can migrate their text into RemNote for enhancing their note taking and study features. Now, this is an AI learning tool. This section likely includes AI powered study tools integrated with RemNote, such as smart suggestion, auto generated flashcard, or a lot of, as you can see, PDF to card, any source to card. You can create a lot of flashcard over here. Now, let's move to create. This is where you can create a new document or new folder. As you can see, you can upload and annotate a file. You can upload your source file as well from here. So yeah, that's it for the dashboard. First, let's create a simple note from here. So in order to do that, what you have to do is just simply click on the create button, and it will ask you to create a folder or document. So if you create a folder, then it will basically it will create a separate folder where you can add your documents or you can create notes for that folder. So I will just simply go with the documents. Now over here you can give a name, for example, first document, and then over here you can choose bullet notes, note bullets, or to-do list. So this is a basic card. If I add, so this is like a create a card. For example, what is my name? Then give to is equal to, and it will make this arrow. Then press tab. So it's like auto filling as well. Right now my name is Oof. So yeah. So for example, you can create notes, but you can ask question over here as well. So this is a basic of creating document. Now let's create a folder. Just click on the folder, and from here you can create a folder for college. And then if you want to create a subfolder into your folder, just simply click on it. It will create a subfolder. Now hit enter, and then as you can see, there is an option of create a document where you can create documents in that folder. Now let's understand the REMs and hierarchical structure. So basically, a REM node uses something called REMs. These are individual units of information like a bullet point. They can be nested to create a hierarchy. For example, we will create a new document. Just simply give the name, which is a REM, just for this tutorial, and let's create a bullet point. Now type a line and hit enter. For example, what is my name? And then hit the enter button and click on the tab. It will make a nested or it make a child bullet of this bullet point. So this is how you can make a child of your main bullet point. Then you can of course you can make child of the child as well. For example, my name is nothing, and then click on the enter and again click on the tab. So here we go. We have successfully created a nested child into the child. So this is a parent-child structure is great for breaking down complex topics. Or if you don't know, like let's say I'm making again, let's say I am uh, let's add one more text over here. Now what I will do, I will do what is this. Then I will, for example, you have added a complex word over here. Let's say this is a complex word. Then if you want to add the definition of that specific word, what you can do is just simply hit enter and click on the tab, and you can add the description over here. So this is how it works. You can use folder for broad subject and use intended trends to group related ideas. Use the search bar to find anything even buried deep in your notes. This is where the search comes here. So you can use search as well to find your notes or find your bullet point. Now let's create a flashcard. In the left side, you will get the option of flashcard. So if you don't know what is flashcard, so basically flashcard is RemNote like designed to help you to actively recall and retain information using space repetition. RemNote makes flashcard creation seamless by integrating it directly into your note taking process. So now let's get started. So first thing, like unlike traditional flashcard apps like RemNotes lets you to create take notes and create flashcard simultaneously. You can organize them in into hierarchical way. You can review them with the smarter scheduling. Now, how to create a flashcard in RemNote? Just simply click on the flashcard, and then from here, what you can do, either you can create from here basic card, or just simply go into flashcard and click on the practice with static repetition. Just simply click on it. Now over here you will get to see create more flashcard option. Just simply click on it. Now over here you can see there is a option like here you have to add front of card and then back of the card. So like first is the basic. I will tell you how you can create a basic flashcard. So what you have to do, left in the left side, you have to add a question, like for example, what is uh, mistaken, what is, okay, what is my name, and then give 2 is equal to, and then you can add answer over here, like my name is Rocket. Now, when you review, the question appears first and you try to recall the answer. So let's give a practice. Click on it. And then whenever you see this card, you will get the question like, what is my name? And you are going to like, what is my name? You will think about that question. And if you figure out, then click on the show answer if you don't remember. Or just simply, if you recall that question's answer, then you can click on this easily recall. If you don't, then simply click on the forget. So it will work like this. Now you can create bidirectional flashcard. So how it works is like you can create two flashcards, front and reverse. Just do let's do an example. For example, we have two flashcard over here. Like what is my name, and then I will give the answer again. What is, it's like you can create two flashcard into one. For example, in the front, what you are going to do is add the answer of that specific question, then type this symbol and then add the powerhouse of cell. Then click on the hit enter. Like add one more. So this is we have created. Now let's click on the again. Then you have to give a reverse that. Now add the first last line of that card, power house of the cell. Then click on it, give the answer of that question, and yeah, here we go. And click on this due flashcard. Here, as you can see, we have a question answer, and then we will remember the question. Click on it, then you have the question. Now, if you partially recall, then again, here we go. So this is used for memorizing definitions, formulas, or association. Now, these are some ways. This is how you can create flashcard, and there are a lot of ways you can do that. Let's click on the add notes. You can add. This is our first, which we have created some flashcard over here. Now let's get back to the flashcard, and as you can see here, this is now. If you want to add practice, click on it. Now you will remember the answer of this question. If you give the right answer, then click on the easily recall. If you don't forget about the answer, just simply click on the forget. So this is how it works. It's very easy and very productive to remember everything about formulas to answer of the specific question. You can create flashcard. So yeah. Now, let's say if you want to add nodes, just simply click on the create nodes. If you want to create folder from here, you can create it. I will go with the document. From here, you can, as I said, I have already created a node. So you can add that specific name of your node and then click on generate card from nodes. So this is how it works. Uh, so that's it. This is a complete tutorial how you can use RemNote. It's very easy and very beginner friendly. If you learn something new, like and subscribe and comment below with what topics you want to build in remote note next. Whether you're studying an language or computer science, RemNote is the perfect tool to learn faster and retain more. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.